Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today, I will give you a review about Block Blaster Solver online and will answer your question, does it work? So have you ever struggled to keep your combos going in Block Blast? You might have seen websites or tools claiming to solve Block Blast for you. But do they actually work? Let's find out. So, a Block Blast Solver is an online tool that supports and helps player place blocks optimally to score the highest points. These solvers claim that they can suggest the best blocks placements, helps maintain the combos, and prevents game-ending mistakes. But here's the catch. Block Blast is a dynamic puzzle game, meaning block arrangements are random. I tried several online solvers and here's what I found. Most of these solvers don't actually analyze your game in real time. Many just provide general strategies, tips instead of actual solutions, and some require manual input of your block setup, making them slow. Others are just scams or clickbait websites filled with ads. And in short, no solver can 100% guarantee optimal plays because Block Blast's block sets are random and change constantly. Instead of relying on solvers, here's what actually works. Focus on creating combos. Clear a line every 3 moves. Plan ahead. Don't just place blocks randomly. Also, you should avoid large blocks because they take up too much space and limit moves. Keep the middle open. It gives more placement options. So, do Block Blast solvers work? Not really. The best way to win is to improve your strategy. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know your best Block Blast score in the comments below. See you in the next one.